Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be reviewing a hair sent to me by Variety Beauty Tips. So they sent me the 10-inch pre-looped passion twist crochet hair. So in the package it actually includes 8 packs, and in each pack it includes 12 strands. Now they say that it is 10-inch, but to be honest, this looks longer than 10-inch. The hair is super soft. It's lightweight so far. I'm going to install it and see how it actually feels in my hair. But it definitely feels natural, kind of close to the texture of my hair, but it's synthetic fibers. It's not human hair. So let's get into it. Okay, so I already prepped my hair. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to oil my scalp with the Ayurvedic hair growth oil by Heavenly Goddess. I already did the back, so I'm just getting the front part. Oops. What I like about these strands is that the loops are wide, and because the passion twist is like a 2-strand twist, it is easy to open the loop wider if you want. But this I really love. I am starting with the back, and what I did was to put 6 strands at the extreme back and work my way to the middle. For me, it is easier to work, row by row than to just crochet wherever, because sometimes, I get confused and I mess up. Anyways, but I do believe, row by row, it looks neater, and you can also keep track on the strands that you're using. So this way, you don't run out of hair. And I must admit it happened to me, a lot of times before. But you learn from experience. So far, I am pleased with how it is looking, and this is what 4 packs of the hair looks. I didn't spend much time crocheting these, and I am almost done. So this was super easy to install. In case you guys were wondering, it was so easy, no complications. Some persons actually reached out to me, asking for a close-up on how I crochet the hair. So I'm going to show you in a bit how I do it. This is how I do it. I don't know how anyone else do it, but this is how I do it. So basically, what I do is I open the needle. So when I open the needle, I push the hook through the area I want to crochet the hair. For this, I am doing it at the root of the braid. I then hook the loop part of the hair and then close the latch, then pull the hair through. I then, open the loop and pull the strand through and tighten it. So that is basically up to you how tight you want it to be on your head. So if you want the hair to come through easily, don't braid or make the rubber band too tight, or else you're gonna run into problems. But so far I am so proud of myself and how it looks. And a quick fact about this hair is that it's actually handmade. Handmade, braided with the best synthetic fabric hair. So what I was reading too about it is that you can actually get it wet. So whether you're taking a shower or you're swimming, you can get it wet. When it does air dry, you should not have any tangles at all. So that is something I'm actually looking forward to, because you know it's summer, everyone is going to the beach or river. So I am really, you know, loving the hair so far. It looks so natural on me. It could actually pass for my own hair. You can style it, you know, anyhow you want. And I'm gonna show you guys a close-up. So I tried to braid my hair, so when I crochet in the passion twist, it gives it this invisible look, so it doesn't really look like I braided my hair itself. So I'm adding, you know, metal cuffs to the hair. And I must say guys, the hair is super soft. It is so lightweight. I can't even tell that I actually have you know, extra hair in my hair. You can see how bouncy it is. It's full of volume. Trust me, this one is a 10 out of 10 again. And the best thing is that you can wear this hair daily, every day. All right, so this is the final look. The 10-inch pre-twisted, pre-looped crochet passion twist hair. I really love it. I must give it a 10 out of 10, to be honest with you guys. There are different ways that you can style it. This is the one I chose. This hairstyle is trendy, especially for the short hair passion twist. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, and all the details will be in the description below about this hair. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. Until next time guys, thanks for watching.